Hello everyone, welcome. In this video, we will create an instance with WordPress production ready. Okay, let's jump in. Right here, we have logged into our AWS Lightsail. In instances menu, we can directly click create instance. The first one is we choose the region and availability zone. We choose in Singapore, and the zone is zone A, which is up southeast 1A. The second one is the select the platform. We choose Linux or Unix, and this is the important one. We choose the apps close operating system. So we don't choose the OS only. We choose application and operating system. And the next one is we choose the default is WordPress. So right here we install WordPress completely directly to the operating system. We can see the information right here is WordPress is certified by Bitnami and automatic 6.3.1-23. And the next one is some of optional thing. Launch script, we don't need it because the Amazon Lightsail will install all of things that WordPress need to run on our server. And the key is we choose the default SSH key. The next one is enable automatic snapshot for creating backup image of our instance, our WordPress production ready. Next one is we choose the plan. We choose the $5 per month. It's about 1 GB of RAM, 2 virtual CPU, 40 GB of SSD storage, and 2 TB of transfer data. I think it's enough for a regular production WordPress. And the last one is the WordPress name or the instance name. We create with WordPress-1. This is the default one. We can create one instance. The next one is the key only tag or the key value tag. We add key value tag. First one is environment production, and the server is WordPress. We create these two key value to identify our WordPress production ready. And the last one is we create instance. Okay, the instance is pending. We'll see change in a little bit. Okay, its status is running right now, but in reality the process is still running because Amazon Lightsail will install Apache web server, PHP processing, and MySQL database. Okay, after about 1 or 2 minutes, the server and the application of WordPress is ready. We can access it with this icon to access the terminal of our server. Okay, we can see that the server is ready, and now we can see the server. Okay, it's running, and there is a message, hi, welcome to your WordPress instances. So we need to access this guide to get the sum of configuration. Okay, here it is. The first one is to get the default application password of WordPress site is connect to instance, and we get this to get the password. Copy, and we paste right here, and we can see this is the password of WordPress site. We can access the WordPress site from the public IP address. We can open in new tab. We can see our WordPress is ready, and to access the admin is IP address and wp-admin. Okay, we get the form login, and the default username is user, and the password is, we copy again from here, paste right here, and log in. Okay, we have successfully logged into our WordPress site. The next one is attach a static IP address to your WordPress instance. Okay, by default, our WordPress server got IP address dynamically. It means that when we restart the server or we turn it off and on again, the server will get another IP address. So we need to make this IP address is static. To get the static IP address, we can click right here from networking. We can get the IP from static IP, but we can also access it from the instance and in networking tab, and we can click attach static IP. Okay, we set the name and we create and attach. Okay, there is a message, static IP WP has been created and attached to WordPress 1. We can click continue. We can see that this is the static IP. So right now we can access our WordPress site from this static IP. This IP not working anymore because the IP has been changed. We can access it again with the WP admin. The username is user and the password is, we got from the terminal, and we can click login. Okay, we have successfully logged in as before. And the next one is map your domain to your WordPress site. Okay, in this scenario, I have purchased a domain and hosted the hosted zone on Amazon Road 53. So to make this our WordPress site have a domain, the first one is we need to copy the public IP address, and I can go to console from Amazon Web Service, go to Road 53. I have set up the hosted zone. The link of video about creating hosted zone is available in this description of this video. Okay, I purchased this domain name with henry.tech, and we create record. We create with name wp dot with henry.tech. It's a route, and we paste the public IP address of our WordPress server. We create record. Okay, here it is. Now we can test its subdomain is ready. wp dot with henry.tech. Okay, we successfully set the domain name for our WordPress site with domain. Next to step 5, read the Bitnami documentation. This documentation is about technical documentation about WordPress that packed by Bitnami. There are a lot of articles from getting started to configuration through administration and some troubleshooting. Maybe we can see that we tried before how to get the username and password for our server. Default port configuration on Apache, connect to MariaDB, or maybe we want to connect to phpMyAdmin. Here is the technical documentation about the WordPress pack by Bitnami. And the last one, the number 6, is create a snapshot of your WordPress instance. Okay, right here we have our instance, And we can see in snapshot tab, you can see that automatic snapshot is enabled, which means the daily snapshot time is about 7 a.m. at GMT plus 7. AWS Lightsail will create a snapshot of our instance. Like here we don't have one because we just create the WordPress instances. After the backup is created, we can also access it through snapshot. Like here there is no snapshot because we don't have create one. Okay, maybe that's all how we config a WordPress server ready for production use. We hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video is useful. Thank you very much and see you on the next one. Bye bye.